In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use categories in Acuity scheduling. If you're looking to streamline your scheduling process or just keep things a bit more organized, categories are a fantastic way to do that. Let's dive right in. First, you need to head over to Acuity scheduling by navigating to their website. Once you're there, you'll see the login option in the top right corner. Go ahead and click on Login. You'll then be prompted to enter your email address, so type that in and click Next. If you prefer a quicker login method, you can opt to continue with Google. This way you won't need to remember your password each time you access Acuity. Simply select your Google account from the list provided, and you're in. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Acuity dashboard. From here, click on Appointment Types. This is where all your different types of services are listed. Choose the specific service you want to work with and click Edit. As you scroll down the page, you will reach the category section. This is the magic spot where you can create a new category for your appointment type. Click on Create a New Category, and a text box will appear. Here, you can type in the name of your new category. Be sure it clearly describes the group of services or appointments you're categorizing. Once you've named your category, don't forget to click Save to ensure all your changes are stored. The process we've just gone through isn't only for organizing your appointment types, but extends to other areas like packages, gifts, and subscriptions as well. So, let's explore this feature further. Head back over to your dashboard and click on Packages, Gifts, and Subscriptions. If you're looking to create a new package, click on New Appointment Package. Just like before, you'll find an option to create a new category. Enter your desired category name and hit Save once you're done. This simple step allows you to neatly organize your packages just as you can with your appointment types. After saving your category, add your package by clicking on Add Package. Categorizing and organizing might seem like a small step, but it truly helps in managing various appointment types or packages you want to offer to your clients. And there you have it. By using categories in Acuity, you've now set a solid foundation for keeping your scheduling environment organized and efficient. Whether managing your services or structuring your packages, categories provide a helpful organizational tool, making it far easier to navigate through all your offerings. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found this useful in optimizing your scheduling operations with Acuity. Happy organizing, and see you next time.